Once you open the Mastercam, first you need to see it is in the inch mode or a metric mode. Okay, if it is inch mode, then go to settings, click on configuration. Here, unit for analyze, it must be in millimeters, and the current file you must select that is in the metric. Okay, once you click on metric, it will shift to the metric mode. Okay, to get the axis on the blue screen, press F9 button on keyboard. Okay, so this is how you will get the axis. Okay, so today we'll learn the turning operation. Okay, so in turning, I will draw one object first. Okay, so this is a line. So the vertical distance you can see here, along x-axis it's 0, along y-axis let's assume it's 25, along z it will be 0. Click OK. So this is the line of height 25 mm. Okay, then you can select horizontal line here. So I'm selecting again minus 25, y 25, z 0. Okay, then you can draw the arc with the help of these commands. Okay, so there are various way to draw the arc. So this is one way to draw the arc. Okay, you can use the proper center and radial coordinate. Okay, so let's complete the object. Once it is completed, go to machine type, select lathe, and in that default operation. So after that, in operation manager, you'll see the machine group 1. In machine group 1, in the property session, you'll see the stock setup. So just double click on the stock setup. So I have drawn the job on the left side. So for that, you need to select the left spindle. Okay. So once you select the left spindle, because this spindle is going to hold the job. Okay. So click on properties. So it will ask for the stocks for the uh, spindles. So click on the make from 2 points. So this is like a stock. This is the excess material which we are going to select. So it's showing 122. So you can go up to 110. That is okay with us. You can see 110 here. And length you can select as per your requirement. So I kept this much extra material. Okay, just click OK. Then go for the chuck jaws. In chuck jaws, we'll select the jaws which will hold the job on the left hand side. Okay, so click on properties. So there are various types of jaws are there. Depends on the type of workpiece. We'll select the type of jaw. So this is externally we can holding that particular job. If the diameter is quite huge, we'll hold the job like this. If job is hollow, like pipe type of arrangement, we will hold the job from inner side. Okay, so these are the various way to hold the job. So I'm selecting first one. So you need to draw that particular job. You can draw it with the help of dimensions, or you can just click from on the tab make from 2 points. So I'm clicking on it. From here to here, I want the jaws. You can see those jaws. So just click on OK. Once you click on OK, you'll see this type of arrangement. So now go to toolpath, select rough operation. So we'll do the we'll remove the excess stock from the workpiece. So it will ask where to save the file. You can write down the name where you need to select, or you can just click OK. So it's asking for the chain. It's asking for the way of selecting the job. There are various ways to select the job. One is chain, another is point, then line, vector. Okay. Out of this, I will select the chain. Click on the job. So it will, this green arrow will show you the starting point and red arrow will show you the end point. So this is how the tool will move along the this particular profile. So click OK. If you select it properly, after that only you will see the next window, that is let rough properties. So again, you can't select the left side tool because the tool is moving from this particular direction. So you need to select the right side tool. Click on the rough properties. Here there are various properties are there, like what is the depth of cut. Depth of cut will be the cut depth which will be removed in one pass. So I'm selecting 0.5. Then minimum cut depth near to the workpiece. So we are keeping some material for finish cut. So I'm keeping 1 mm on x axis and 1 mm on z axis. There is no any y axis in turning. Okay. So that's it. Click on OK. You'll see the rough operation. Okay. So to see the animation of this particular operation, just click. I'll again show it to you. Just click on verify selected operation button. So new tab will open. Okay. So just play this. You can see this is how the rough cut is completed. Okay. So to generate the code, you just need to click on G1 button. Okay. So this G1, so again it will ask for the path where to save this particular, right, T1, T2 times 2. Just click OK. Will generate all the all the codes which are required to complete this particular operation. These are the codes which will be generated because we have kept the depth of cut 0.5 mm and we the job height is almost 110. So that's why so many codes are generated here. Okay. Then second operation, go to toolpath, click on finish. Again, click on chain, select the chain because in rough cut we have kept the 1 mm material along the x and z axis. So right now we can't select the rough cut tool. We need to select finish right side tool. If you want to modify this particular tool, just double click on that. Other properties like insert shape and holder properties, holder height, and other parameters like tool number, tool offset, feed rate. So this parameter can easily be modified. So I'm keeping as it is. So right now I'm not going to leave any material here. So there will be no stock which will be lived. Okay, just click OK. So finish cut is happened just right now. If you want to see that, just click So this is a rough cut which is already happened, and now this is the finish cut. Okay. Now next operation, click on thread. So I will do the outer side threading. So I will select this particular tool, or you can select this tool. Okay. Then click on the thread shape parameters. So here the pitch, lead, then included angle and thread angle. So all these properties as per the requirement of the client, you can modify it. Then what should be the measure diameter? So I will click on this particular tab. I will select where I want that particular thread. So my measure diameter will be 50 and the minor diameter will be 47.5. And the starting position, I will start the thread from this point. End position, I will end this particular thread, this particular point. So minus 25. You can manually put those values, or you can just click on the those particular buttons and you can select from the geometry. Okay. So if you want to keep any lead angle or other parameters, you want to modify it, you can select those things from here. Otherwise, just keep as it is and then click on OK. Okay, so let's see that particular thread operation in video. You can see the threads here. You can make the internal thread also. These are the external threads which are made on this particular job. The next operation, that is a groove operation. So in groove operation, you can click, you can select that particular groove. So this is the shape of the groove which is we are going to make. You can just select on 2 points. That is enough for us to define the groove. Click OK. So I want the groove from this particular point up to this particular point. So just click, select it, press enter button on keyboard. You will see the new tab where you will see the tool properties. So there are various tools which are already there. Okay. So I'm going to select OD groove center medium. Okay. Then there are other properties like feed rate, spindle speed. So those are already there. If you want to modify, you can modify them. If the tool is not there, you can select from the library. There are many other tools are available. If it is not there, you can apply the filters. Then you can select the tool material properties. There are various parameters which are there. As per your requirement, you can modify them. Okay. So if you want the taper angle, like I want the straight groove right now. If you want the taper angle, you can just put the values like 10 on the left side and 10 on the right side. So you'll get the taper over there. Okay. Then what type of what should be the direction? Okay, it is positive means it will move from left to right. If you want negative, it will move from right to left. Or you want bidirectional means one cut on left and one cut on right. So in that way you can select this. So for rough cut, we are keeping 1 mm stock along the x and z axis, and that will be removed in this with the help of same tool in the finish cut. So you can see here there is no any stock is left along the x and z. Okay, so this is how you can do the groove operation. So I have given the taper angle of 10 degree. So you will see that thing in video also. Okay, so this is a 10-degree angle. If you want extra, you can just click on the parameters, double click on the parameters, go to the shape. You can remodify them. Click OK button here. But before that you need to regenerate all the selected operations. So otherwise it will not update. Okay, I will show you again. If I keep this angle as 45 degree and this as a 45 degree and click OK, you'll see the red cross on the toolpath. It means it is not updated. You need to regenerate it. You can see here it is regenerating that particular thing. After that only it is going to show in the animation. So just click OK. So here see, you can see the 45-degree groove is made. And then next operation, that is facing. So we'll remove some front face of this particular job with the help of this particular tool. And where should be the starting point? You can select it over here. So finish Z. So you can click here up to minus let's say 2 mm. I will consider. So 2 mm I need to remove that particular material from the front side of this particular job. Just click OK. You will see that particular operation in animation. Here you can see the face operation where the 2 mm material is removed. Here you can see 2 mm material is removed from the face side. Okay, so this is facing operation. Next is drill. So drill operation, you can just select the drill bit. From here you can modify the drill diameter. Here it is 5.99, so I will just click 6. Holder dimension, if you want to modify, you can modify them. You can change the tool number and other feed rate and spindle speed parameters from here. So I'm just selecting that. So it will ask from where you need to start the drill point. So my drill point is here, minus 2 mm, because I already removed the 2 mm material on the face side. What should be the depth? I can just randomly click here, or I can just write the value. I want the depth of -7, so it will be exactly -5. That's it. Click OK. So you'll have the drill over here. If you want to see animation, just click on animation. Okay, so this is how the drill operation. You can hide the tool from the video. Okay, and next operation is cut off. Let's see it's going to work or not, because in cutoff many times if the height of the job is very high, then there are chances of getting stuck the tool inside the job. Okay, so this is the cutoff tool. So this is how the cutoff operation will happen. Let's see. Okay, it happened. So let's check. I will show the tool. So we have separated the our workpiece from the main job. Okay. So here select all the operation by using this green tick. Generate all. You will generate all the tool path of those particular operation. Okay. So you need to take down the printout of this particular page and just click on animation. So here all the operations will be there. The first operation, I'll just slow down the speed. The first operation is rough cut. Then this is a finish cut. Then this is threading. Green is your groove, face operation, then drill, and last is cut off. Okay, so you need to take down the printout of this particular screen, and you need to generate the G codes. So just click and give the name to that particular file, and it will generate all the G codes which are required to perform all these operations. Okay, so these are the G codes. Here you can see the various tool numbers are there for each operation. Okay, so you need to take the printout of this also. So that's it.